Hi everyone, I'm Coral.
I'm Antonio. We're both from Dave Jones Realty, and we're here at 51 Beardsley Ave in Oakville today. So we have a nice colonial 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, corner lot, and it has two-car detached garages. So we can go check those out.
So we are now in the main living area of the home. We have a nice large living room here, dining room area, and also a half bath. Heading this way, we will walk into the kitchen. Lots of space in here. You can, eat-in kitchen here. There's also a bedroom that could be used more so as an office space.
They also converted a little laundry area so you can put a washing machine if you wanted to upstairs if you do not want to go to the basement. So that's also something they did.
And there's an additional door this way that leads you to the backyard. So now we are in the large eat-in kitchen. There's plenty of counter space and cabinets. Over here we have a large industrial propane stove, which is also a great feature for this property. So there is a full bath. Over here there's a tub, and then walking up this way we will head to the bedrooms.
So we have 3 good sized bedrooms here. There's a good amount of closet space. So you can check out this one first. It has a small little nook on this side of the room with a good amount of windows. All the windows are in very good shape. Also the electrical is a newer 200 amp panel box, so that is also upgraded and very good. So we check out the other bedrooms. Come over here. We got some closets built into the room there. You also have a closet here. That is a good size. And we'll check out the master bedroom, which is probably the biggest here.
Yeah, this one features 2 closets, so.
Yeah, so it has double closet in the master, all hardwood throughout upstairs where the bedrooms are, which is good. And each room has its own ceiling fan. All right, we have a 2-car garage. It's heated. We have a nice little workshop area that you can use, cabinets back there. Also, there's a little bit of storage on top, so we could go check out the other 2-car garage as well. I always like to say you can use this one for personal use. You could possibly rent this out. There are separate driveways when we get down there, and I'll show you as well. All right, so this is the other 2-car garage. Again, I definitely think you can rent this out, or you can use this one as a workshop as well. It has great driveway space. You can fit easily probably four cars here, maybe more if you fit it tightly. Also, this right here is the property line where these trees are. So it's a very nice corner lot, and you can obviously see the yard is nice and level at the top. So if you wanted to do a fire pit or anything like that, you can definitely do that. So great lot in Oakville. Thank you guys for coming to the tour with us. We appreciate it, and you can reach out to us if you have any questions.